Take flight with Monarch, the first of its kind multi-line Braille display poised to revolutionize education and transform the way we access Braille. Your Monarch arrives in a sleek black box adorned with an orange butterfly graphic and raised Monarch text. Inside is the first of its kind multi-line Braille display that integrates tactile graphics with Braille text, allows students to graph tactile functions on demand, play chess, work, read multiple lines of Braille with formatted elements like headings or chapters. In addition to the Monarch, inside the box you will find a USB-C charging brick and cable, along with 3 international power adapters. A set of 5 membranes to protect the tactile display surface. Let's take the Monarch out of its box. The device has a 10-line by 32-cell tactile Braille display with 3,840 pins. It comes in a charcoal gray case with the orange Monarch logo at the top center, the APH logo at the bottom left, and the HumanWare logo at the bottom right. At the top of the display is a sensor for gestures and finger tracking. On either side are orange buttons, pan keys up and down, and cross-shaped directional pads for cursor movement and exploring tactile images. Above and below these are pan buttons for scrolling through documents or books. Underneath the display, there are also orange zoom buttons for making text and graphics larger or smaller. By default, the Monarch displays 10 double space lines of Braille, but the zoom out button can reduce this to 6 lines for users with motor differences or those new to Braille. On the front edge are 3 yellow Android navigation keys, a triangular back key on the left, a circular home key in the center, and a square app switcher key on the right. The left edge houses a USB-A port, power button, and USB-C port for charging. The Monarch includes text-to-speech functionality. On the right edge are audio control buttons, an audio jack for headphones, and an HDMI port for connecting to a visual display. The Monarch marks a pivotal moment in the landscape of accessible technology. But the Monarch is more than a device. It's the key to unlocking a world of opportunities and paving the way for an accessible future for all. Purchase your Monarch today and soar to new heights.